Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use a multimeter to measure alternating voltage. This is voltage that is obtained straight from the mains, that is your power sockets that is in your house or your factory. Alternating voltage normally has no direction and it keeps on changing, so it has no polarity, not direction, polarity. So direct voltage is measured from this point to this point. What guides us is the V with the wave, the sinusoidal sign on top of the V. So here in my country, our appliances operate, they take up 240 volts. So we will go to a value that is higher than 240 volts. So we will not use 200 volts. We will use 500 volts. Another thing that you should note is if you're supposed to be very careful when doing this experiment. Don't just do it for fun, please. So I'll just take my tester and insert my probes. Since it doesn't have polarities, you can put any of the two anywhere. Make sure you don't touch the pins of the probes. So we will see. Is this on or off? So as you can see, the voltage is changing. Somewhere it's about 240. It will keep on alternating. So it can be 240 plus or negative 5 volts. So the voltage is okay. And that's how we do it. Thanks, and subscribe for more. Yeah.